kids, welcome to Brush and Spoon. Today in Brush and Spoon, I'm going to teach you a bird that you can make using old thermocol plate papers, because this will be very useful for you to use it as your school projects, or you can even use it as a home decor or to decorate your garden. The materials what all you'll be needing for this will be a thermocol plate, whichever size you want you can take it, even if it's a broken one also no problem, you can take one. And you need plastic spoons like this, or even you can use a wooden spoon if you don't have a plastic spoon. To draw on this, we'll be needing black marker. To cut it out, we'll be needing scissors, and to paint, we'll be needing black paint. So you can use brush and clean water and a red strip of paper to make the beak of the bird. So when you're using scissors, please see that you use it with parental guidance. And this is acrylic paint, so this can be directly applied on any surface. Since thermocol is little bit of a plastic finish, no worries, you can use it directly. So now I'll tell you how to do this. So now this is the plate, this is a broken half. So what I'm going to do is, you're supposed to start drawing a line in the midway of the plate, and in the center you're going to make a semicircle pattern. So you're going to cut it out. So see that you're able to go till the end of it. So you're going to make a semicircle like this. The same way we're going to do it here. So this we have got our wings part. Now what we're going to do is, we're going to draw a straight lines little bit wide open like this, and you're going to follow it up till the end of the thing. So now this is the framework. So now what we're going to do is, we're going to cut following the outline. So since it's a thermocol paper plate, so please be careful when you're cutting, because it will tend to break. So now we've got our body part and this. So now we are going to attach this. Before that, we'll be needing the spoon, and we'll have to paint the feather part for it. So we'll be using the acrylic paint for it. So you can take any brush, a flat brush or a round brush, just dip it in water. So following this, we'll be painting this. And here you have these frills by nature on this thermocol paper, so you just follow that. The same thing you will repeat on the other side. So now your tail part and your wings are ready. So now we have to attach this on the spoon. So for this, what we're going to do is, first we're going to place the tail part. So you can just put white adhesive on the spoon. So you're going to place the tail portion. Just press it 2-3 minutes so it sticks properly. After that, we'll be placing the tail. On the tail, we'll be placing the feather. So now we are placing the wings on top of it. So see that the glue is proportioned and it doesn't fall apart. So now the body is ready. So using these red paper, we'll be making like a beak for it. So you can take how much of a length you want and cut a small triangle on it like this, and you will just fold it a little bit, and you will apply the adhesive. And you're going to place it in the, and you can use the marker, or you could use a brush and just make the eyes for the bird. And maybe you can just give it like 2 waves or something like this, just like the feathers of the eye or something. So now if you see, just give it a drying time of 10 to 15 minutes, and after that you can even punch a hole in this, and you can use fishnet wires and make it like a room hanging, like a bird hanging in the garden or something, or you can use it even as a school project. Hope you've enjoyed this session of Brush and Spoon and you've learned something very creative. So keep practicing that, and do follow us on Facebook, Insta. I'll come and teach you some real new craft in the next segment. Until then, it's your Jalak signing off from you. Bye-bye.